Okay, then let's begin today's video. So this is the particular task for today's video. In FreeCAD for this particular task, I preferred Part Workbench. For that, I select empty file, Part Workbench, okay, and create a sketch. But I first want to know that which plane I have to choose for this particular task. So cancel it and read the drawing properly. So length is 9 mm and height is 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 and 9 is a proper dimension for this particular task. Okay, so I preferred XY plane. Okay, and select construction rectangle and select here 9 tab 5. Okay, so entire drawing is complete within this rectangle. Okay, change polyline, select. Okay, give constraint and dimension, select this one, and vertical, select this one and horizontal. Okay, dimension D, enter. This is the particularly 3 and 3, 1 and 1. So I believe all the dimensions are given. Okay, and close the sketch, extrude. So extrude layer height is not given here, but I prefer to use the 3 mm. Okay, and okay. By mistakenly, I given the side, I think the wrong dimension. So here, look at here, I given the wrong dimension, so it's 3. Okay, fine. So first I prefer to complete entire upper body, then go to the down body, this body. Okay, so what I have to do in this task, I have to give the fillet. Okay, so fillet, selection extrude and select this edge. So here again there is a no dimension of the fillet, so I prefer 0.3. Okay, now okay, fillet once again, select this fillet 1 and this, and both dimension is 1 because it's given here. Look at radius is 1. Okay, so this drawing is completed here. Select this face, create a sketch. Okay, I prefer to use word the convert entity. Okay, circle 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter. Okay, now extrude 3, reverse. Okay, fine. Select first fillet, then extrude, and going to do the subtract. Okay, so top entire body is the complete. Now I have to complete bottom part here, this one. For that, once again select the sketch XY plane and OK. Once again rectangle 9 tab 5, enter. Okay, let me check the first before going. Might be wrong, something. Okay, yes, this is the correct 5 mm, 3, it's everything is right. Then what happened here? Once again XY plane. Okay, rectangle, there is something wrong here because it show me here for the 4 mm and in this drawing it show me 5 mm. How could be that possible? Once again I have to give the dimension. It's 5, it's right. I'm a little bit confused about that. Why the software showing me the wrong dimension here? Okay, I forgot that fillet part is invisible. That's why 9 tab 1. Okay, it's correct. Now rectangle here 3 tab 1. Okay, fine. Extrude 3 complete. Okay, now I forgot to cut here something, so I have to add something part and remove something part from here. So let's do it. Select this face and sketch. Okay, top, convert entity, polyline, D for dimension and 4. Correct. Close. Extrude reverse 1. Okay, so select this cut plus this extrude and union or say fusion. Okay, likewise select this face. Okay, and convert entity, polyline, dimension is 1. Okay, extrude reverse 3. Select this and select this. Sorry, select this first and this one and subtract. Okay, fillet cut 001. Okay, so select cut 01, select this edge and this edge. Okay, so complete this task. Select this face. Okay, convert entity and 0.5, 0.5. Okay, extrude reverse 3, enter, select this and subtract. Okay, so remaining is the middle part. For that select this face. Okay, and convert entity, this vertical line and this line, so I get the 2 point, this point to this point. Okay, close the sketch and hide this sketch. Select this face, select. Okay, convert entity, this and this, rectangle, select this, hide this sketch. Okay, so I have two sketches, sketch 7 and sketch 8, and select here the loft tool. Loft 7, enter, 8, enter, create a solid body. Okay, so it's created. Now one thing is remaining, center hole, and center hole is a die exactly at the center. Select this face. Okay, okay, x2. Okay, 3 is fair enough, and 1 mm here. Okay, so here I have the two, loft and extrude and cut. Okay, so fusion, cut 02, cut 03, entire selected, and fusion. What's so remaining? Okay, fusion and select once again. Okay, so here the entire drawing I have created. Now select and give the appearance. I would like to prefer some color. Might be, let's check. Good, I prefer this one. And shadow. So here we go, our entire part is ready. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.